Hi, I'm Ezra Dyer. Welcome to Yahoo Autos. And explain derelicts.
So, everything icon, vintage aesthetic, modern drivability. Derelicts, another take of that, perhaps a bit more extreme. Barn find virgin vehicles, leave it looking like we did nothing.
If someone buys one of these things and decides to crawl under it at any time, anywhere they look, it's going to be someone thought about someone looking at that.
Definitely, yeah. To me, good design is considered. Here's the done one. This is the one I really wanted to show off to you guys. 1948 Buick Super. Last on the road in 1958. We found it on Craigslist in Pennsylvania. This is as found on the outside. Bright work, it opens from either side. That's such a cool design. So this client, we just dynoed it yesterday. It's 630 horse at the rear tires. And then we'll do a modern column so that we get the tilt function. And then the touchscreen nav audio interface stuff is behind what used to be the AM speaker vents. My goal is to find that balance of the best of the old and the best of the modern. The Derelicts are my personal favorite because creatively, every time we're learning something new. I'm gonna nail it here. So you
All right, I'm ready. No creaking, no, I'm expecting like some cowl shake or something,
yeah,
nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
I gotta say, this might surprise you, this is my first time driving a 700 horsepower 1948 Buick. The genius of this car is that this is not anything I would have ever expected that I would want. And now that I see it, I do want it.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do, is give people what they don't know they want. Let me just play a game here. It's called the point at anything on this car, and there's a story behind it. What about the gas cap?
Okay. I got a story there. We take modern car tank throats. We do modern sealed fuel systems with charcoal canisters. So if you lose your cap, you go to Pep Boys. But now you can fill it like a modern car, and we're not screwing the environment with all the vaporizing fuel. Like, this original car emitted more emissions sitting in a parking lot all day than my final version does being driven like an idiot. Yeah, it's just evaporating out.
And
so then there was a story. You asked.